Na. Da. Ano? Da.
So, ito yung dinner namin. Show it. What's this our dinner? It's a potato. Small potato.
Du ska släcka ner till.
Potato, not potato, yes. And also bula, shoot. As giniling na karne.
Släcka det etterpå.
And also, of course, the sauce, the brown sauce. That's our dinner. So, paborito kasi niya ito.
It's open.
So, ito yung dinner namin.
I out open. You squeeze and voila.
Wala. So, yes. Ito yung dinner namin. Potato. Kung sa atin, panggulay ito, diba? Pero,
guli dyan.
dito kasi, ito yung dinner. Norwegian dinner. This, and this. And of course, the brown sauce. Only that. So, today, we decide to make this dinner because it's my boy favorite. Sometimes, ayaw niya ng ganito, ng karne. Kung sa atin tinatawag itong bula-bula. Sometimes, ayaw niya yung mga ganito. Gusto niya ito lang at saka sauce. Pero ako, hindi ako mabubuhay nito. But, for now, kumakain ako ng ganito kasi kumain ako ng dinner kanina, rice. Kasasabi ko lang ng rice, naghanap ito ng rice. Of course, the rice is... Kaya narinig lang niya yung rice, gusto niya ng rice.
I want rice.
Edwin heard about, I talk about rice, then now he wants rice.
You said you're gonna make.
I decided to make this because it's one of your favorite.
Not
I was-
anymore. It's boring.
I was in the store because I bought this and I bought this.
Not my favorite. It's boring.
Okay.
What?
Boring daw yung kinakain niya. Ito kasi gusto lang niya kumain ngayon. Hindi pa sana gutom to. Dali dahil sa laro. Gusto lang kasi niya, ito lang kasi talaga yung itong gusto niya. Napakain lang siya nito kasi talagang sinabi ko kasing kumain siya. Parang nanampiling na yan. So yan. Yung